Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new vlog. I just made some breakfast really quick. Got some scrambled eggs here, scrambled light. You know what I mean? Scrambled those with some cheeses inside of it. We got some toast, and we got some sausage.
We need to get us
and we got some tea and stuff. And then we're gonna drink some alcohol. So breakfast ready. Everybody in the video, I put like a nacho cheese sauce on top. Like in my last vlog. Ketchup fun over there, so.
Cheese over here.
Murder scene over there, so. Me and Debbie, we the same thing. Yeah.
It's okay.
He's hungry.
That's what you get for getting up early and getting up breakfast. Nothing bomba.
See, I got my shoes drying and stuff. All ghetto and stuff. But this is pretty much where we are. Which part we there again? No, what is the name? The parish?
We know what you. We get the.
Man, stop lying.
We got the filter still. We got the filter, so we're in OG. We're in OG.
Okay. So we're still in OG. This is pretty much our view. Right, you know, guys. It burned me for that dog, yeah. Mode. Him not have a work I go, you know. Him don't have a work I go.
When you're on a holiday, you can't find the words to say. All the things that come to you, and I wanna feel it too. On an island in the sun.
This is a process. Trust the process. Everybody getting ready and stuff. That's how we look at it. So I'm wearing, guys, I don't even know its color, if it's peach or whatever, but this top looks like a baby pink top. I got on these shorts and slippers and keep it simple, drop on a shades and thing. It's maybe like a bit after 4 o'clock. I think it's after 2 o'clock and the party ends at 6, so we should get a decent 3 hours in and try to show you guys as much as possible. Taking my GoPro, so that way I should be able to get you guys some really nice shots, and you guys can be a part of the event. You don't know. That's what Soai Vlogs is about, guys. It's just taking you guys as many places as I can take you, being a part of the experience. Some of us like see some events sometimes and you kind of wonder, is it worth it, worth paying all that money? And you can see it for yourself, see if I enjoyed myself or not, and see if it's something that you would want to go to. So I think the next clip should be us at the event or something. Alright?
Hey guys!
What's up?
We're on our way to the venue for Festival of Floats. We're kind of a little bit late, and we just saw a little rain coming. But yeah, we're almost there. You wanna see your boy come out? Jesus! Jesus!
So we just reached inside at a pump up station. Me and Dana, the back of them. We're selling a shit. Everybody check in. Yana check in. Joda, Davin. Nice too. But they pump up them things, see me?
Ladies of my pre, right? Pre, what? Yes, you are pre, we miss me, but you can't.
Oh, there, check in! Soai, the hot body.
soda this side.
Stir it up. What you do? Drop it there. No, stir it.
thanks, babe.
Tonight the feel like spend some cash. Cool and then just watch. If I give out the shoes then just match. Gucci loafers with your doctor.
Yeah, we're too classic. Too classic. Too classic.
I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm not ready for this.
Take out one of
And then hold on.
Pass mine. What mine?
Give down.
See you on TV, sunset shit don't change. Ever since we walked, so I dreamed it all. Say congratulations. Wish on my to vacation. Ain't never had a dedication.
Which one? Alright? Alright? You can fuck with me if you want. That's the blood clot. Jesus red, God. Jesus red. I can't grab my way with backups.
That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. At the school, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick. Cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Fuck with you, and I'm a boss. You a worker, bitch. I make bloody niggas. She say shit, wanna rock the hoop. Let's find out and see. Hard to beat.
Jacob. Woman out of here, man.
Bring the cup, just to party like that. I can pay the fee.
Yo, I'm playing that nigga. Yo, I'm gone. Are they ready? Some hard fuck, man. It's too much sauce. It's too much sauce. It's too much sauce. It's too much sauce. Woo! Look at the flick of that wrist. 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 I don't know.
Hey, Jana. Hey.
Louis Vuitton across my body. This is not for fashion. This is not a playground. Ain't no fish like bitch.
Chromatic there for the juggling. You don't know creep chromatic. Pick up yourself. Yeah.
Chromatic, the ultimate.
Go on, bad man. Sober up, guys, see the water. See me? Sober up yourself. Water and a cup there, thing is in it, drink up that flower. Got that Catherine speak. Right.
Okay, you might see me in a Ray-Ban. Chromatic sound back from day one. Creep not just see you are popping. Some fun boy full of shit. Waste man, Nico that dub your leaf full like this. The gal them a go on, but they know they make it every day. It's no joke. Everybody fear that. Wish not. Wish not. Tom Cruise. I'm ready. Tom Cruise. Matty, the ultimate. Tom Cruise. Everybody fear your game. Start your game. to know from who clean. When we turn up the shot, everybody feel run towards the water. Run towards the water.
So you might take the ultimate.
Everybody feel run towards the water. Towards the water. Everybody in there with that change will start.
Get it, boy! Get it, buddy! Yeah, boy!
So you might take the ultimate.
What? What are those? GoPro, guys, because someone threw liquor in the other camera, but it's alright though at the moment. But stay, yo. God, stay in hell, man. I don't know, some of the events, you even know that. I don't know, she and Devin gone. Get on the vlog, man. I cannot swim. Look there. No, look there. I cannot swim. So part of the crew cross. I don't know what I'm going to reach through. Look, I will be sleeping like one book. Yeah, it's lit. It's lit here.
or something, I don't know. But I am freaking good. I made sure I stopped drinking for a while. And Sabrina! What's up? You good? Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, so we're gonna get back to the car and recoup real quick.
Are you really recording this, Steven?
I need to record this. This is a part of life. 10 years from now, I'm gonna. Thank you, Steven.
Steven, look in the thing and take out the thing, no? No, not that part.
This is Jude. This is Davine's, I think.
Where's the rest of the money?
$4,000, she said. I see 3,000, Davine.
That was 4.
Hold it.
Yeah, okay, it's 3 and then a loose one.
Yeah, hold
What
on.
is in a purse?
Yo, I hope you guys know the things I'm doing for this vlog channel, yo. It's not even in a normal. Like somebody threw alcohol on this camera that I'm using right now. I'm very surprised it's working. Big up yourself, Canon G7X, because like it's still alright. I was dancing with Judah, and I'm sorry for that. Some idiot threw. I was like, yo, are you looking at like what's in my hand? But luckily the camera is still working. But yo, like I'm trying to capture the whole. For me right now, I'm trying to capture this whole story for you guys to see. To see like what the lifestyle is here, to see how you can enjoy Jamaica, because enough of it at Jamaica like we not enjoy it. And people have this stupid conception, yo, we have to have a lot of money. You actually don't, yo. Even if you go to like one event like this for a year, like you can enjoy yourself, you see me? Yo, island small, but a whole heap of good vibes there. And it's not a matter about rich or whatever, because there's a whole different class of people that were here, like uptown, downtown, middle class, whatever. You see what I say? But like right now, guys, my try to represent for y'all, because like, yo, I was drinking in the party, but I stopped drinking for like an hour and a half or something like that, and I started drinking water, because like, yo, I'm have to get my vibes ready. But like I still feel not 100%, but not that I'm drunk. You see me? It's a correlation of fatigue. Yo, I use a big word again, man. Correlation. So you know I'm still thinking. But anyway, we're trying to. What I like the most about this group is that everyone is trying to look out for everyone. They're trying to find different members of the crew. Who Frost is trying to help out. Who's gonna drive their car? They're gonna drive each other's car. You know. So whoever Frost now go drive, you see me? So that's the vibe right now. And you see me? Stay tuned, guys. Hopefully we get home safe. When we do, I will check in with you guys and stuff and let you guys know. But yo, thank you guys for getting us this far, because it's not just my channel, it's your channel, it's our channel. You know what I'm saying? I know at one point it's gonna get to a point where we can do things together. You know what I'm saying? I think we're over 500 subscribers, and big man thing, this for me is a big thing. Like when I started, I wanted just like 10 or 20 subscribers, and I'm getting gum, guys. So I can be talking to you guys in the vlog with my breath not being stink and stuff.
What have you name?
I don't know. She's not in the car though. Yeah, but anyway, guys. Alright, guys. For those of you who don't know, I just got home and we're about to mess up some KFC right now. So, it's me. But for those of you who don't know, some persons are pretty confused. I mean, I hope you guys are watching and keeping up to date with the vlog. But some persons start the vlog at a particular time. Now, the girl that I went to the very first date night with, that's Fiona, who's no longer my girlfriend at the moment. My girlfriend now is Judah. She's not my sister. Hey! She's not my sister. My sister is Imani, who we had the birthday thing for. So yeah, guys, you have to kind of like really watch the vlogs. And I'm not the kind of guy who's gonna come on the vlog and be like, oh, everybody, I'm not with this person anymore, or break up or whatever. I'm not gonna do anything like that. So of course, if you see a switch or you don't see a person anymore, then feel free to insinuate, or you can just send a comment and I'll answer you. But of course, nah, it's a completely different girlfriend. That vlog that I had, that was from like April. That date night was all the way from April, and this sushi vlog night, date night, was last month, which is September. September, so a lot of things can happen in so many months, guys. Baby could be in the belly, you know what I mean? Alright guys, yo, I'm so tired. Yo, today was a really long and really exciting day. Of course, you guys were there, you guys experienced everything with me as always, guys. And as I said, like, I really appreciate you guys watching the channel, you know, sharing your comments, sharing your views, asking questions. You know, questions are always meant to be asked. You know, once you know, crazy questions. But yeah, so guys, I'm gonna pretty much put this to the end of the vlog. As always, guys, remember these 3 things. In this world, there's love, respect nature, adaptation, and always remember, guys, keep the link. And before you go, if you did enjoy the video, remember to hit the like button. I really appreciate that. And if you want to be a part of the family, hit that subscribe button. Keep the link, guys.
All I am is a man.